Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. You'll remember we made dal earlier in the previous video. So you can either have that with chapatis or naan, but we are going to have it with boiled rice. So I thought it would be appropriate to show you the youngsters who are going to do this on their own, how to boil rice. So in this pot we have water. To that we've added a little bit of oil, and the first thing that we're going to add is cumin seeds, zira. Zira's going in. Going to put some coriander in. There we go, just for some bit of flavour. 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay, well, or I should say as per taste, we're having one. So we've soaked the rice for about 20 minutes. The rice has been drained. Okay, the rice is going in now. So that's boiled nicely now. We're going to drain the boiled rice. There is your boiled rice, viewers. You can eat it like that, or you can take a further step, which is our hack. So firstly, you need to spray the pan. Okay, so this adds a little bit more smoothness to it. So you spray the pan. Okay guys, we put on a wet cloth which goes over the lid, and that's going to go over the pot, and we're going to give it a further 5 minutes. Oh wow, there you have it, viewers. Boiled rice and green lentil, delicious. Enjoy.